In Georgia, the state reports more than 341,000 cases, with 766 of those cases coming in just a day. But even closer to home, more than 700 Lowndes County students are now in quarantine due to possible exposure to COVID-19. ABC 27's Cara Bailey spoke with parents and health leaders about this quarantine spread across the district.
Right now, the Lowndes County School District and the Health Department are working together to contact trace after hundreds of students have been put on quarantine. Each week, the district sends out its weekly COVID-19 report. In the latest, issued October 16th, 602 students are under quarantine, with another 101 under quarantine due to possible community exposure. Bonnie Peters has 2 children in the district, and while they are not under quarantine,
even though the kids have, been wearing their masks and everything, these football players, these cheerleaders, these bridgemen, they've been in classrooms with all these other students.
In all, there are a total of at least 46 coronavirus cases in the district linked to students and staff. Peter says she wants to see bold action from district leaders.
To not shut the school down is, I think, a bad move.
We spoke with the Georgia Department of Public Health's South District about whether they'd recommend any school closings. Kristen Patton says it's not their decision to make.
The health department would not make that recommendation. That recommendation would come from local government or the school system.
And adds that everyone countywide needs to be extra cautious as the number of positive cases continues to rise.
We have seen an increase, a pretty significant increase over the last week and a half, 2 weeks. And so we just want to continue to encourage everyone to make sure that they're taking those precautions, staying home if they're sick, and if you are exposed to anybody with COVID-19, make sure that you're following those quarantine orders and staying home from school.
We reached out to the district to see what, if any, changes would be made with these hundreds of students required to quarantine. They declined to speak with us or provide a comment. In Valdosta, Cara Bailey, ABC 27.